Well, time for Dreamweaver to have some new letters on the back. So I can get the old ones off. Little River's new, but the words Dreamweaver's not. Hi, I'm Tony.
And I'm Kathy.
And welcome to our adventures on Dreamweaver.
We're using a rubber eraser wheel that you put in a drill to remove the lettering. You can get these on Amazon and a lot of other different places, but it works really well. It takes the lettering off really, really well, and it doesn't take much effort to get it off.
Look, Kathy's taking the letters off his book.
This is our neighbor's cat. He could go right up that ladder all day long.
The cat, the sound's got it.
What?
He's like that all along.
The lettering we're using today is from our friends at Island Boat Lettering. The first step is to wipe down the surface area really well with acetone. This removes any wax, grease, or any previous lettering. The next step is to make sure measure and position your lettering to make sure you're going to have it in the right position when you get ready to pull the paper off of it. Next, place it face down and move a small section of the backing paper. Next, spray the back of it with Rapid Tack. This will allow you to move it before it's placed permanently. Now remove the backing paper and place it in the desired position. You'll be able to move it around some since the Rapid Tack's on it, but make sure you're going to get in position. You're going to leave it before it dries. Next, squeegee it from the center out to remove any bubbles. Next, remove the application paper and let it dry.
Here we are going crazy putting the lettering on. Yep. I think it's going to be alright. Maybe. Trying to get it on straight. Might be off a little bit, but you know, that's a good thing about not being perfect. You don't have to worry about being perfect. I think it's going to be good.
Well, it looked like it turned out pretty good. Only thing left to do is just to make sure and smooth out any little bubbles or wrinkles that was in it. Turned out really well. I'm happy with it.
Next episode on Dreamweaver SB.
It's time to replace the topping lift.